I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 and I'll be showing you how to connect an external USB microphone to this phone. So maybe you want to record some good audio or an interview or whatever it is you want to do. Here's how to connect a good external USB microphone. So since this is a USB type A connector and the Galaxy S23 only has a type C port, what you need is a converter like this. So this is a USB type A port to a USB type C connector on the other side. And so what you need to do is simply connect the cable from the microphone into this adapter and then put in the adapter into the phone. It's plug and play and we are ready to go. In fact, to test it out, let's just go to the Samsung sound recorder. There you go. You can see external mic will be used to record audio. So it's already detected the external microphone. And you can use this one for only the standard recording. So you can see interview mode is not going to work. And also speech to text will not work with this microphone. Only the standard recording will work. So right now, if I hit record, we're basically recording with this microphone, as you can see. So that's basically how to connect an external USB microphone to your Samsung Galaxy S23 or maybe any other Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.